You think buying a car is just about the price on the tag? Think again. From surprise fees to maintenance nightmares, most drivers don't realize how much a car really costs. Today, we're exposing the hidden costs that could drain your wallet and showing you how to avoid them, so your dream car doesn't become a financial headache. Today, we will talk about the hidden costs nobody tells you about before buying a car. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Beyond the sticker price. Why the real cost is higher. When most people think about buying a car, they focus on the sticker price or monthly payment. However, the true cost of owning a car goes far beyond that. Expenses such as insurance, registration, maintenance, fuel, depreciation, and even financing interest can quickly add thousands to your annual budget. Many first-time buyers underestimate these costs, leading to financial strain or regret shortly after purchase. Understanding the total cost of ownership is crucial to making an informed decision. For example, a car priced at $30,000 might end up costing $40,000 or more over its first 5 years once hidden expenses are accounted for. Buyers who overlook these factors often discover that their dream car is far more expensive than they anticipated. 2. Depreciation. The biggest invisible cost. Depreciation is the loss in value a car experiences over time. A new vehicle loses about 20 to 30% of its value in the first year alone and roughly 50% within 5 years. Luxury and high-performance cars typically depreciate even faster, while reliable economy models retain value better. Many buyers fail to consider that depreciation is essentially an invisible cost. They pay a premium for a car that will be worth significantly less in the near future. Even if you plan to keep the car long-term, depreciation affects trade-in value and potential resale. Choosing a car that holds value well can save thousands and prevent financial surprises. 3. Insurance costs you might not expect. Insurance is another hidden cost that varies widely depending on the car's model, age, safety features, and even your location. Sports cars, luxury vehicles, or cars with expensive replacement parts can carry significantly higher premiums. Teen drivers, drivers with a history of accidents, or those living in high-theft areas often face higher rates. Many buyers overlook this up front, only to discover that insurance adds hundreds to thousands annually to their budget. Factoring in insurance before purchase helps avoid surprises and allows for selecting a car that balances value and coverage. 4. Financing interest adds up. Most buyers finance their cars, but the cost of interest can dramatically increase the total price. A $30,000 car financed at 6% over 5 years will cost more than $4,700 in interest alone. Extended term loans reduce monthly payments but increase interest paid over time, making the car more expensive in the long run. Hidden in plain sight, these financing costs often make an affordable car far less affordable. Smart buyers calculate total interest and consider shorter loan terms or larger down payments to minimize this hidden expense. 5. Fuel and operating costs. Fuel is a recurring expense that often surprises buyers. Cars with poor fuel efficiency, large engines, or frequent city driving can burn through hundreds or thousands of dollars annually. Even electric vehicles have electricity costs and charging infrastructure considerations. Additionally, factors like tires, brakes, and fluids contribute to ongoing operating costs. Choosing a car with better fuel economy or hybrid/electric options can save significant money over the life of the vehicle, but many buyers fail to consider this before purchase. 6. Maintenance and repairs. Maintenance costs increase as a car ages, but some models are more expensive than others. Luxury brands, high-performance cars, and imported vehicles often require costly parts and specialized service. Regular maintenance, oil changes, brake replacements, tire rotations can cost hundreds annually, and unexpected repairs can be financially devastating. Even new cars may require maintenance not covered by warranty once the basic period ends. Understanding typical service costs for the model you plan to buy is essential for avoiding unpleasant financial surprises. 7. Registration, taxes, and fees. Many buyers overlook registration fees, licensing, and taxes that vary by state or country. In some regions, sales tax alone can add thousands to the upfront cost. Registration fees, inspection costs, and emission tests are recurring annual expenses that can further strain your budget. Hidden administrative fees at dealerships, like documentation fees or dealer prep charges, can also add hundreds to the total cost. These small but cumulative expenses often catch buyers by surprise. 8. Accessories, add-ons, and optional packages. Dealerships often push optional features, warranties, and accessories that increase the final price. Roof racks, upgraded audio systems, paint protection, and extended warranties can add thousands to the sticker price. While some features are worthwhile, many buyers purchase them impulsively, thinking they're necessary. These add-ons rarely increase resale value proportionally, making them a hidden cost that reduces overall financial efficiency. Smart buyers evaluate the real benefit versus cost of every extra feature. 9. Opportunity costs of car ownership. Owning a car ties up capital that could be invested elsewhere. The money spent on a down payment, monthly payments, and maintenance could alternatively be invested, earning returns over time. Additionally, cars require parking, storage, and in some cases, tolls or congestion charges, which can accumulate. These opportunity costs are subtle but significant when calculating the real expense of ownership. Understanding that buying a car is not just a one-time expense but a financial commitment over years is crucial. 10. How to avoid financial surprises. To avoid hidden costs, buyers should calculate the total cost of ownership before purchasing. This includes the purchase price, depreciation, insurance, fuel, maintenance, registration, taxes, and optional add-ons. Researching average cost for your model, choosing a reliable and efficient car, and considering used or certified pre-owned options can significantly reduce expenses. Being informed allows you to enjoy your car without financial stress and ensures your budget accounts for all predictable and hidden costs. Knowledge and preparation are the keys to making the smartest car purchase possible. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.